Yes, it's kind of funny because my whole family is a soccer family. My father used to be a soccer player, a football player for PAOK in the 90s and 80s. And my brother now is actually playing for AEK. It's a funny story because I started playing football when I was young too, and in the age around 10, 11, I decided this sport is not for me. I remember very intensely that I was in my room. I had in my room like 5 or 6 footballs, soccer balls, and I threw them all to my younger brother, and I told him, Simos, my younger brother, this is for you. I'm done with soccer. I'm done with football. It's time for me to change sport. So I decided to play basketball. I fell in love with the sport, and the story continues. For sure, being born in Thessaloniki has been very important because Thessaloniki is well known in basketball history. It has 3 great basketball teams, which out of them PAOK and Aris are very famous. So being born in Thessaloniki played a huge role and I became a basketball fan. I started playing in an academy called AC Asteria. So the coach over there, it's Coach Ted Rodopoulos, which had taught me the basics of basketball, and he taught me a lot of outside the court and inside the court, of course. And he basically is the one who created the idea to move in the States and all the American mentality, and I for sure owe a lot to him. I will never forget about him. So he's the reason basically why I love America and why I had to make this important step for America. It was a small city, but playing in a great university like Wake Forest was an amazing experience. The students over there, they love basketball. They're dedicated to it. Also, I was honored and blessed to be part of a great basketball team. Coach Manning was there. My experiences that I gained from all this experience was amazing. I was really blessed, and I will never forget about it. I also chose Wake Forest because it's a legendary school. Tim Duncan, Randolph Childress, Chris Paul, Jeff Teague, all these great players. You go to the practice facility and you see in the walls all those players. You get goosebumps basically. I remember very much that the first practice, I go to the practice facility when I visited too, and I saw Tim Duncan on the big wall, and it was something I will never forget. JC is an amazing player, amazing guy. One of the best teammates I've ever had. I remember since we were in college, he used to work very hard. He's very athletic. He has evolved his game, and I'm very happy for his career. I mean, and I wish him to continue do great. Being not able to test the NBA waters that period of time was something different because when I came to Greece after for my family break and for the national team break, the national team when I was 2021 called me. So after this, Panathinaikos and Olympiacos automatically drew interest in me, and I had to make a decision. That was either I will continue my career in college as my senior year and to test the NBA waters, or I should sign with a Greek team or go to the EuroLeague. I decided to sign with Panathinaikos after this and to play in the EuroLeague too. To play in Greece in such a very famous powerhouse like Panathinaikos of course, it was a great experience. To me, being also a Greek was also a privilege. I had the experience to face all these fans, to face some great teammates, some great personalities, and I gained a lot of it. The decision to go to Milan was to go. Coach Messina helped me a lot in this decision. it has a great. We have in this team great teammates, great players. We have a lot of expectations. I wanted to make this step and for then to move on to the next chapter of my career, and the rest we will see on the court, and we hope we'll have a good year too. For sure, coach can use me as a 4 and 5 position, but I think and I like playing a lot of the 4. I actually enjoy it too, so I'll answer the 4. Yes, that's the goal, to become very stable in the three-point shot, especially percentage-wise. You have to be in a specific number. Every day is a new challenge. It's an opportunity to get better. So as long as we're blessed, everybody, each player on the team, to work in their game, I'll continue to do the same.